Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'd like to answer a question from a follower about Instagram videos.
How can I stop my Instagram videos going blurry?
There are a few reasons why your videos might be blurry on Instagram, including Instagram TV videos, Reels, in-feed videos, and more. It could be down to poor Wi-Fi or data signal, but it also could be because of a single setting on Instagram. The high-quality upload setting. When you turn on high-quality uploads on Instagram, all of your videos will be uploaded at the highest quality possible. This will use more data, however. Higher quality videos will also take a little longer to upload. How to find the high-quality upload setting in Instagram. Start by heading to your profile. Then, hit the hamburger menu at the top of the screen. You'll want the very top option next, Settings. Next, find the Account option, towards the bottom of the screen. And then, towards the bottom of the screen again, you'll find an option called Data Usage. That's where you'll find the option to turn the high-quality upload setting on and off. As you can see, mine is blue because I have high-quality uploads turned on. I keep mine permanently switched on, but there's nothing to stop you from toggling on and off whenever you need it. You have successfully turned on high-quality uploads. It's time to upload a video and see if you have resolved your blurry Instagram video problem. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.